At Idaho News 6, we've been covering the disappearance of little Fruitland boy Michael Vaughn since he vanished back in 2021. I'm senior reporter Roland Barris, and on Tuesday, the defense for the man accused of murder in the case, Stacey Wondra, is expected to ask the court to throw the case out entirely for lack of evidence. You'll remember after digging up Wondra's backyard for days on a tip that the body was there, nothing was ever found. But that doesn't mean the prosecution doesn't have a case. I talked to an expert at the University of Idaho College of Law to learn more about charging a person with murder when there is no body. Michael Vaughn vanished in 2021, and investigators still have not found his body. So how can anyone be charged with his murder? I asked University of Idaho criminal law expert Jordan Gross.
It's a long-standing rule in American law that we don't need a body to charge a murder case. We don't need human remains. We don't need DNA evidence.
So how can you tell a crime has even taken place without physical evidence?
Do you look at the evidence and say, is there any other compelling or reasonable explanation for this unexplained disappearance? And with enough corroborating evidence and circumstantial evidence, a jury could reach a conclusion that a murder occurred and that this defendant committed it.
The no body rule is important because Gross says there are criminal elements like the mob who are really good at getting rid of bodies. If you have corroborating evidence, something like, say, the victim's blood or DNA evidence on the wall of the suspect's trunk, or neighbors saying they heard a violent fight, or maybe even GPS evidence from the suspect's phone showing that he was at the murder scene. All of those things are circumstantial evidence, but Gross says they're also very compelling. And juries seem to agree. American Police Beat says there have been 660 no-body murder cases since 2012 in the U.S., with an 86% conviction rate. But Gross says having enough circumstantial evidence or corroborating evidence is the key.
Like I said, Sarah, could have done something with it when I wasn't home. Knowing that she knew that I had seen where she was digging.
Jailhouse confessions can be helpful, but in a case like Stacey Wondra, he said he saw other people committing a crime and did not take part. Gross says just witnessing a crime is generally not a crime.
No such thing as criminal liability for a bystander. Even if you could intervene at no danger to yourself and save somebody.
Gross says prosecutors don't have to show all their evidence to demonstrate probable cause. That's a relatively low standard, she says. But proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt in a trial, well, that's a different story. And that comes down to our peers.
Ultimately, though, it's up to the jury. That's what you point to. It's going to be up to our 12 lay people. We entrust them with those decisions.
We'll have full coverage of what happens in court on Idaho News 6 and IdahoNews6.com. In downtown Boise, I'm senior reporter Roland Barris, Idaho News 6.